This is a demonstration of opening and signing into Microsoft Teams. If you are using a computer issued by the university, then Microsoft Teams is likely already installed. To open Teams, select the Start button. Scroll through the list of applications and locate Microsoft Teams. If you are not already signed in, you will be greeted with a welcome screen. Select the Get Started button. Sign in with your university Microsoft sign-in information, which will be your starid@minstate.edu for faculty and staff, or your starid@go.minstate.edu for students. After signing in, you may receive other prompts such as an option to stay signed in to all your apps. For prompts like this, you can read and consider the prompt, but generally for Microsoft products, it is recommended to accept by clicking OK. After selecting OK, you'll receive a prompt that says, "Hold on while we register this device with your company and apply policy." This may take a moment. The prompt now says you're all set. I'll select Done. To keep Microsoft Teams readily available throughout your workday, you can pin it to your taskbar. To do this, right mouse click on the app icon and select Pin to Taskbar. If you are working in a different app, Teams can be minimized by selecting the Minimize button. You know that Microsoft Teams is still running if the app icon is on your taskbar and underlined. To use the app, select the icon, and the app window will reappear. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.